You know, when I bought you, this place was nothing more than four people and a dream. Since then, every order we delivered, every night we stayed back, every milestone we crossed, you were right here carrying that weight with me.
Sir, may I tell you something?
After all these years, now you talk?
In every factory, there's a silent hero. I am the hero.
But you are upgrading everything in this factory, the workers, the systems, the future, everything. Except me. Shouldn't I get an upgrade too? Please give me Muxxol Lubricants and watch how much more I can do for you. Their German formulations give me the power to perform for long hours without consuming more oil.
You're right. We came this far together. I'll get you what you want. Let's grow even stronger with your upgrade. Machines don't slow down. They grow stronger when you care for them. Mux Industrial Oil. Built for industry, built for progress.